Good morning, friends. Good evening, friends. My topic for today's lecture is the Indo-Pak relations. India and Pak are the same country of the same continent in the history, but they were divided into 1947 by the British, which led many tensions raised between both the nations. Both the nations had not very good diplomatic relations since then. It was a series of major wars between both the nations, and it was a lot of blood shed. Today, let us discuss some timelines of these Indo-Pak relations. After just partition, both the nations came into war in 1947 and 48, where Pakistan ceded an area of India. The area today is called as Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and because of that, there has been many tensions. But aftermath of it, in 1965, Pakistan started Operation Gibraltar, which further was scouted by Indian Army, but the relation between both the nations deteriorated more. Then after, it was followed by 1971 war, and the Simla agreement in this war played an important role. But Pakistan never followed the Simla agreement. They did not follow the principles of Simla agreement, like the Kashmir issue is a bilateral issue and both the nations will work upon it. And Pakistan, on contrary, took Kashmir issue to international stages. Because of that, there has been many problems between both the nations. After that, during the 1990s, Pakistan started a proxy war against India with the name of terrorism. Terrorism problem still exists between both the nations, and the proxy war is continued. Within this period, Pakistan also deteriorated 1971 Simla agreement and did a lot of ceasefire violations. After that, India started a series of changes in the leadership and started taking some hard stunts, which includes 2002 Operation Parakram, also 2016 strikes and 2019 Pulwama strikes. We also started developing the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and the relation between Jammu and Kashmir and the rest of India improved a lot after the removal of Article 370. Today, the Kashmir Valley is on a path of prosperity. Now let us discuss the cultural relation between both the nations. The cultural relation between both the nations has been good because both the countries are part of the same subcontinent. But due to the angst of leaders between both the nations, there has been some problems. But a lot of Pakistan people loves the cricket of India, loves the Indian cricket team, loves the Bollywood, and also they come on the medical visa for their treatment in India. Now coming on the trade relations. Trade relation between both the nations has been good historically, but in the recent years, due to the continuous terror attacks from Pakistan, India stopped the trade. The bilateral trade between both the nations stands at $500 million today, which is mainly the pharmaceutical products. But both the nations has very good trade potential because Pakistan as a nation today need very important edible items, which is wheat and sugar, and these items are in abundance in India. But due to the problems of terrorism and raising Kashmir issue on different forums, the relation between both the nations has not been very good. Now coming on some solutions of this Indo-Pak relations. First of all, India government has always said there can be no talks between both the nations if the terrorism problem is not solved. Second, India continues to take hard stance against Pakistan in global forums and also internationalize the issues of Pakistan, that is the terrorism, and try to designate the terrorism of Pakistan and terrorists of Pakistan on the United Nations. Similarly, we have also cut off trade between both the nations so that Pakistan continue to starve and they should remove this ideology of taking back Kashmir. We also reiterate that Pakistan occupied Kashmir is an important and inalienable part of India and they should give it by their own, otherwise some hard stance will be taken in future. At the end, I would say both the nations could have become good friends, but due to the series of wars and evil intention of other nation, the relation between both the nations are deteriorating and they are not improving. However, hope still persists. Thank you.